Yeah, I'm
all of
making
it
a salad. Look. Okay, I'm done.
You're gonna need to put more lettuce, more spinach in there. Put all of it. This is how I do it.
Yeah, and then you can have some. Is that enough? For both of us? That's enough. I'm
Can you do
cooking.
cooking? That reminds me of that commercial, and I helped. Some
Yum.
salmon. Nice, huh? All I did was put a little olive oil. I like a little salt, a little sea salt, a little lemon pepper on it. We've got some lemon, and then here we go, making our salad.
And I like that she
So
did it.
easy.
I don't have to do it.
You'll like it even better when you're
I
eating it.
made the packaged stuff.
Well, it's easy. Everything's washed. Why not? And then we're just going to add a few little maybe red onions, cucumber. You don't like red pepper, but we've got avocado.
And I don't eat onions, just a little bit.
You don't?
But you
Okay.
know what? I hand her stuff. Here, do something with this.
Yeah, looks like I've already done something with this.
I'm not touching that line.
Yeah, don't touch it.
So you know what? Today we're going to talk about calories
Calories.
and
Yes.
how
always
to
there.
recognize certain things and how many calories they are. So like this
It's like
is
nothing. It's like a whole bag of spinach is what? Look at the bag. It's actually on the bag. It's like next to nothing. Do you know where to look at your calorie count? Right here on the back.
I don't even know what
Okay, right here. Servings per container, 2, and there's 20 calories. So
20
it's 40
calories for this whole
calories in the
bag.
entire bag. So it's like nothing. And
So,
it's
and
chock
we
full of nutrients.
we put a half a bag in here, and we're splitting it, so that makes
It's like
10
next to nothing.
calories.
Now,
Okay,
you're
and
not-
tomatoes are like nothing, and this is nothing.
And this is like nothing. Okay, you're not a big one on the red onions, but I tell you what, if you cut them up big enough, you can see them coming and
pick
avoid them.
out. Okay.
So we're doing that. We have healthy fats in here because we're going to have avocado, and I'm actually cooking the salmon in some olive oil.
Ooh,
There you go.
Service with a smile. Look at how beautiful.
Just a typical lunch.
Now here's what we learned about calories.
Well, there's 200 calories and 200 calories. You want to get the most bang for the buck. For example, you could have 2 mini Snickers, and that would be 200 calories. Or you could have 2 apples that day and have 200 calories. And you'll also get vitamin C and fiber, so the apples are a much better choice.
If you want apples.
Just know there are always choices, and try to make the best ones you can.
Yeah, and if you want to count calories, I mean, I don't.
I
but
do.
Yes, and I'm learning to from her. But if you want to count calories and you're going on a diet, I think it's like 2,000 calories a day will maintain what you're doing.
Roughly
And
speaking, most people.
1,500 you'll start losing weight. And 1,000 will really help you.
But you have to make sure you have enough nutrients, so don't go too far, too low. I know that I've read that bodybuilders, prior to a competition, a month out, will get their calories down to as low as 1,100 calories a day.
Wow.
Mostly eating
what?
chicken breasts and drinking water. But
Chicken breasts? Do we have to do that?
no, we're doing bikini.
All right, we can eat. We can drink.
We can be soft and pretty, but toned. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend that people do that. I mean, the whole thing is you have to expend more calories than you're storing. So you can do that 2 ways. You can either cut back a little bit, which is healthy, and you can also expend a little more energy by exercising. So the combination of the 2 is really the healthiest thing. So you still get your nutrients.
Great. Well, good luck with the calories. And
Keep
good luck to us. Keep counting.
Keep counting.